Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Nissan Frontier 4.0 liter engine automatic. There is no drivability problem, but the check engine light is on, so we're going to go and scan the computer system first. So these are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Hood prop, pry bar, rubber mallet, long nose plier, half-inch impact, a socket for my air-flue ratio sensor, 21mm socket, 22mm wrench, my scan tool, and some dielectric grease. Okay, I'm going to be hooking up my scan tool to this OBD2 connector. It's right under here. Now I'm going to turn the ignition on, 2 clicks. Okay. Now let's see what my scan tool reads. Okay, my scan tool is reading P1168, closed loop bank 2. So I'm gonna be replacing the air-flue ratio sensor, bank 2, sensor 1. Okay, I jacked up the front of the vehicle. I removed the driver's side front tire. So now we're gonna be replacing the air-flue ratio sensor through the fender well. So I'm going to be disconnecting this electrical sensor that goes to the air-flue ratio sensor. So we're going to be removing this gray plastic clip. We'll pull the wire out. Okay. So we're removing this wire. Okay, this is where the air-flue ratio sensor is. So I'm going to be putting on a special socket over it. So I got that special socket on. Now I'm going to be using this wrench. Put it on. And now with my rubber hammer, I'm going to hit my wrench to loosen it. So now I'm going to be unscrewing it. Okay, today I'm going to be replacing this air-flue ratio sensor. I'm using this brand Denso. Make sure you buy this brand Denso, don't buy any other brand. You can buy a cheaper brand, but a lot of times it don't work. So before I install this sensor, I'm going to be putting on some of this anti-seize, this gold anti-seize that came with the sensor. Okay, we're going to be installing the sensor. And we're going to be tightening it up. So we're gonna be transferring this mount to the new wire. I'm going to be putting some dielectric grease in this connector. So I'm going to put this gray lock on. I'm going to be putting on the tire. I'm going to be using my pry bar to lift the tire up. Okay, I'm gonna be connecting my scan to this OBD2 connector. Turn the ignition on 2 clicks. To the on position. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go clear the code. Okay, so I erased the code. So now I'm going to road test the vehicle. Okay, I road tested the vehicle. The check engine light didn't come on. Another job well done. If you like my videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.